Over the centuries, we've built amazing buildings and thriving communities, affordably and with real character. More recently though, soaring costs, skill shortages, inefficiencies, and climate pressures are making it difficult to build profitably and sustainably. At the Advanced Building Association, we're here to change that. Our mission is simple: to help you cut unnecessary costs in your projects. We do this by helping you to build more efficiently, by adopting better practices, and using more advanced building systems and sustainable products. Here's how we assist you.
Knowledge.
Our knowledge base, authored by global experts, shares, showcases, and teaches through real project examples and invaluable industry experience.
Manufacturing-led solutions.
Our carefully curated supplier directory is revolutionizing how designers and specifiers search and source more advanced building systems and sustainable products. We've built a dynamic knowledge hub enabling our manufacturers to share educational content through real-world projects, media, and case studies. This wealth of industry-specific information empowers you to make smarter, more informed purchasing decisions.
Digital and SaaS.
Our in-house developed digital tools streamline your search, procurement, and logistics processes, helping you manage your supplier interactions more effectively.
Our services.
Our tailored services are designed to help you plan, design, and build more efficiently, reduce resources and waste, enhance knowledge and capabilities, and expand your procurement network nationally and internationally. At the Advanced Building Association, we're not just talking about change, we're actively making it happen. Join us in optimizing our builds to be faster, greener, smarter, and affordable.